All right, everybody, today, new little ride, the Yamaha R3, tiny but fierce. So this is going to be interesting on this course in this direction. So we're running the race, I believe it's going to be race 14, and so what we've done is, people that know this track, we have eliminated the bus stop for this track day, just to give a little more speed, give a little more fun, a little more variety. So this thing, we're going to be full open on the back part of this track, so it's going to be pretty cool. So let's see if I can get this thing off stand. All right. So we're on our 2015. This is Pagna's R3. And so we're just waving this guy. This guy needs a little transport. But her 2015 R3 got it built up a little bit. It's got a little flash tune in it. So we're gonna run out in the C group. We have a yellow flag out. I'm not sure what's going on. Looks like we've got a bike up the hill. Looks like we've got someone down. So I think we're gonna be able to go out. Let's do a quick check-in. Great day until right now, and then all of a sudden we just had like 2 or 3 crashes right in a row. Everything good out there?
They've got a rider down right before the grapevine. His rider's left. Crash truck's going out fence line for him.
Okay. Am I okay to go?
As soon as we get this filled by the corner, we'll let you out.
Okay. So we've got our rider down, but rider up. Go ahead and... So as you guys usually know me on the Sriracha Gixxer 1000, the BMW S1000, this is a whole different ride, guys. Whole different ride. So what we're you know, obviously on the R3, we are like, I mean, we're full throttle, full brakes. That's how I kind of describe the R3. Full throttle, full brakes. But it's a blast because it's the carry speed on this thing is so amazing. So we've got our little incident right there, but that's okay. Got our instructor with him, so we'll get him picked up. Yellow's down. This rider a little room. All right, so we're full throttle, 4th gear, 5th gear. This back straight. So usually we go through on the left. If you guys watched the earlier Button Willow coaching, check that out. But still take it a little easy. We got some heat in our tires. But I can tell you guys right now, you're going to want to watch the BMW S1000 on that back straight. It's going to be a blast. This is, yeah, this is different for me, you know. I'm used to, the MT's quite slow for me, you know, but I burn up on it. I do all right on the MT-09. We'll be out there later today on the MT. Make sure you stay tuned for our channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot of cool stuff going on with Cali track days. Let's see if I can... I just got no legs to pass this guy. So we got some cool stuff going on with Cali track days. We have a new operations manager, Mike Abbott, taking over operations so I can focus on Cali Moto TV. So we are in the C group, and we'll let this guy. So let's see if we can sneak around some of these riders. So yellow flag, so we don't pass. So we got some changes going on, all for the good. I really want to focus a little bit more on the Cali Moto TV channel. And so handing over operations is going to be a really good thing for Cali track days and for the channel. So I'm going to be able to get providing a lot more video footage for you guys out here. So if you guys haven't seen the videos, make sure you follow and watch some of these videos. So let's see what kind of speed we can get down on this back straight. I'm full throttle. I'm gonna creep in on him before we get. So I'm just basically almost full throttle through this corner. This backside, I haven't let up yet. There we go. I can't wait. I can't wait to get on the BMW on this thing. See if I can creep past him. What's nice is I can carry a little more speed. There we go. And in the S's, remember through the S's, we're shooting straight through. What's up, George? One of our instructors, George. If you guys are in the Fresno area, you got to look up Disturbed Riders. They're a group of street guys that focuses on safety on the street. George is one of their main guys. Let's see what we can do with George. He's got a little less weight than me, but I got some more legs than him. Sorry, Georgie. So, Disturbed Riders, check them out if you're in that area. Fresno, they do some street rides, but they do a lot of new track riders too. So if you guys want to come out to the track and you guys are in that area, hook up with Disturbed Riders. Berto's awesome. Another MT-09. Berto is the guy that kind of organizes it. What's up, Berto? So they're kind of a big part of Cali Track Days. We've got a couple of their guys as our instructors. Let's get it. So I'm full throttle. 102, 5, 7, 8, 13. 113 miles an hour. 14, I hit 114 and I panicked. Let off for a second. Checkered flag. So that's our little ride on the R3. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's a little short, but the R3's little. Can't handle much of me. Oh. Excited. 2015 Yamaha R3 with the big guy. So you guys that are wondering, as far as my size, I'm 6'2", 230 pounds, kind of a big boy. So this thing, you know, I'm able to flip it around pretty easy. But of course, I don't have the top speed. You can see I could barely pull on George. But let's, you know, maybe I'll run back through the B- group and we'll start another video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment, smash the like button. Tell me what you guys think. What can I do better while I'm out here on the track? But I think we're going to go ahead and start another quick video. We're going to go out in the B- group. Let's do some patrolling in the B- group. Let's see what we can find. Follow some people, make sure everyone's kind of doing their thing. A little harder on the R3, because on the R3 we can't keep up with people as much, so we just really want to kind of follow through. But hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. We'll see you next video. Till then, Cali Track Days, Cali Moto TV. Thanks for staying tuned.